All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Wasi from Wasi Entertainment. Just finished an app repair on this. It's a Crest 9001. Basically had a bad channel. Went ahead and got everything squared away on that. Here's the display board. I mean, this display board just basically has LEDs telling you whether or not it's in thermal or DC protect, so on and so forth. Just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of what's going on the inside. But also wanted to give you a little disclaimer. I make a lot of these videos, or not that many, but whenever I make a video, I just kind of show you what's going on. And I know sometimes when a person sees something being done, they may say, oh, well, I can do that, or, oh, let me try that. But this particular video, I'm led to give you a little disclaimer. I've been doing this for a very long time. I actually, did engineering for Motorola for like 14 years. So I'm, very well versed with electronics and DC power, AC power, so on and so forth, and the way things work. With that being said, just give you a quick glimpse right here. This is the power supply right here for this unit. These are your large capacitors. They hold a heck of a lot of charge. So even if the amplifier is plugged out, there's still lethal amounts of voltage and current that's stored inside of the amplifier. So if you're not really, very well versed in the operation of these circuits, and you kind of know what's going on and you have a lot of experience, it is highly recommended to not go inside of these amplifiers and try to do any repairs or, tinker around with anything, because, it sounds like, kind of going above and beyond the threat level, but they really do have the potential to kill you. I mean, I've been hit by a couple things in my life, and yeah, I'm lucky to be alive. But the voltages that are in these amplifiers and the current, it can kill you, because when they discharge, if they discharge through you to ground or whatever, it doesn't take a lot of current. See, voltage is not what really kills you. Voltage gives you a kick. It's the current that kills you. If you think about it like a taser, right? A taser charges up to tens of thousands of volts, and it'll hit you with a taser. It just basically affects your nervous system and kind of shorts everything out, so you can't move, so on and so forth. But what a taser does is it gives you a lot of voltage, but not a lot of current. It doesn't hardly give you any current at all. So 1 amp of current is enough to kill you, versus getting thousands of volts, introduced to your body. That's not going to kill you. It's going to shock the heck out of you, but it's not going to kill you. But current, when you get a small amount of current flowing through your body, that's what actually burns you up internally, and that's what's actually able to stop your heart and kill you. So just something I kind of wanted to put out there, just giving you a little bit of a warning. You see me make these videos, I repair these amplifiers, but this is something I've been doing for a very long time. Kind of got a lot of experience with this stuff. So I'm just telling you, or giving you a heads up, just because you see me do it, don't feel it's something that you could just jump in there and, straighten out. Anyway, with that being said, I just got done with this 9001. Let's turn it on. I think it's working now from when I checked earlier, but let's just turn it on and see what the LEDs say. The normal setup, I got it plugged into the Variac. We're set at about 120 volts. I have what's called in the industry suicide wires. Suicide meaning, obviously it's something that's not really safe. So, I just got alligator clips going directly to the wires. But once again, I've been doing this for a very long time. I don't recommend you do something like this, because it doesn't take much for one of these wires to touch something else and short out. And, or, you possibly forget how they're laying, and your hand or whatever touches them. That'll be an instant shock, and this is 120 volts going directly to you. So just kind of keep that in mind. So anyway, we'll turn it on and see what's going on. Notice when I'm turning on the switch, I'm being very careful, because this is 110 going through the switch. All right, so I definitely can't touch that with my hand and not short, but shock myself. That side's good, the other side's good. All right, so both sides came on the way they should. They're green lighting now, so all the repairs and everything that I did, it was a lot of work on this amp, but It's looking like it's good to go, so I'm going to go ahead and close it back up. I'm going to run it through a 3-hour burn-in test, make sure it doesn't have any problems, make sure it doesn't fail. And once I'm done, I'll call the customer and let them know it's ready for pickup. All right. Once again, this is Wasi from Wasi Entertainment. You have any amplifier issues or turntable mixer, anything electronic? We specialize in audio equipment and lighting equipment. Give us a call, 954-444-0819. Thanks.